Good morning, children. This is Aniruddha, MLZS JHANSI, and today we are going to start with the third chapter of NCERT book Biology. And as we have already completed the first chapter and the second chapter, Reproduction in Flowering Plants, and the process of flowering plants or the process of human reproduction is same as sexual reproduction. The processes are same, such as in them also the first phase was gametogenesis. The second phase, that gametogenesis, that means the pre-fertilization stage. The second is fertilization stage or fusion of gametes, fertilization stage or fusion of gamete, and number last is post-fertilization event. The same is true with human reproduction. Here also there will be spermatogenesis, that means formation of sperm in male, and oogenesis, formation of ova or ovum in female. There will be fertilization and there will be post-fertilization events also, the development of child. So now here we are going to start, and first we are going to talk about the male reproductive system or male reproductive organ. And here I have made the diagram of male reproductive system of humans, and here you must be watching a simple diagram. Okay, here if I start, the male reproductive parts are known as testes and certain accessory glands or accessory ducts which help in the entire process of reproduction. This pipeline or these tubules, and these are the glands which are accessory glands and the secondary sexual organs, or this is the primary sexual organ, testis. Testis is covered by a layer or skin known as scrotum. Scrotum keeps the temperature of testis 2.5 degrees centigrade to 3 degrees centigrade below the temperature of the body, and it is outside the body in a cavity, in one pouch, okay, like a structure, two of the testis. Inside the testis, if you see the diagram, there will be lobules. These are the compartments are known as lobules, and they are mostly 250 around. Testicular lobules are found in each testis. In testicular lobules, one small tubule is found, tube-like structure, which is highly coiled. This tube-like structure which connects all the testicular lobules is known as seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule. And here inside the seminiferous tubule, sperms are made. These seminiferous tubules go out from the testis. This is known as rete testis, through rete testis, and then they again reach to the epididymis area, highly coiled area of seminiferous tubules outside the testis, known as epididymis, and before epididymis the area is known as vasa efferentia. So rete testis, vasa efferentia, and epididymis. Epididymis is the place where sperms rest for a while, and here they get matured also, because in testicular lobules they are not matured completely. So in epididymis they rest and they become mature, and if there is no ejaculation, that means sperm is not going out of the body, then sperms degenerate here and they are reabsorbed by the body at the place of epididymis. This is a highly coiled tubule. Now from here, this tubule becomes simple one, and when it goes towards the urethra or urinary bladder, the pipeline is known as vas deferens. This pipeline is known as, one single common pipeline is known as vas deferens, which carries all the sperms to urethra at the time of copulation. Now this area is known as urinary bladder, where the urine is poured or filled. When this vas deferens comes, it joins the common duct, the common passage. This is the common passage for urine also, and this is the common passage for sperm also. Now this tube comes here and it joins three glands all together in the same common duct. First gland is known as seminal gland, seminal vesicle. Second is known as prostate gland, and third is known as bulbourethral gland. What actually is done by these glands, they produce high amount of fructose, proteins and enzymes, acid, base. Base is higher in amount. Why actually base is higher in amount from the all three glands? Actually, fructose is here just to give nutrition to the sperm so that sperm can move after going inside the female vagina. The second is acid. Why acid is there? Because sperms may stick to one another and there may be coagulation of sperms. To just keep all the sperms free, acid is there. Base, actually the female vagina is highly acidic, so sperm may be killed there after going in vagina. So high amount of base is also involved or added in sperm so that sperm become basic and neutralize the vagina. And this bulbourethral gland produces slimy substances so that the mons penis or the penis can become slippery or slimy, so which helps in the at the time of copulation. So this is all about the male reproductive system of human beings. This is urethra. From here urine also can pass out, and from here sperm also can pass out. But now the sperm will not be called as sperm. When the sperm is mixed with fructose, acid, base, enzymes and hormones, now sperm is known as semen. It is not called as sperm, now it is called as semen. And the process of throwing out the sperm of the body is known as ejaculation of semen. So this is all about male reproductive system of human beings, and next we are going to talk about female reproductive system. Thank you very much.